Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm just doing a small little canvas here, and this is a test canvas for a sunflower. I just want to see how this would work out. And if this works out here, then I'll be doing it on a larger canvas for a collaboration that I'm in. So I'm just going to turn on some music, and hopefully this will go quickly, and you'll be able to see it all. So here we go. Thank you all for joining in. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you can get the benefits of all my videos. Okay, that looks perfect to me now. I love the way this came out. This will work beautifully on a larger canvas. So I think this is a go. I'll take you in for a close-up. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. And we're going to give this a go on a larger canvas. Push this in a little bit with my fingers. Your fingers are always perfect for these little, look how pretty that is. Yeah. Okay, I love it. I love it. So please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for coming, everyone. This was a quick one, and I really love the way it came out. See you soon. Please be safe out there. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now. Please wait for the close-up. I'm gonna bring you back in for a minute. I did put a little bit of this distressed glitter at the last minute here. And I have this, it's called Flower Soft that I used when I was making cards. And it's actual real flour. And this is called Burnt Sienna. And I thought it would go nicely on the inside of the flower here. And I'm just gonna put a little bit in. Just gonna sprinkle some on here. This is real flour. And I thought it would be a nice addition to this. And then also add a little bit of the copper. Whoops. Yeah, this, you never use much of this Flower Soft. It lasts forever. So that's so you can see what that is. This is ultra fine Flower Soft, and this is You're So Fine glitter in copper. Hear that, Lance? Copper, copper, copper. I'm just gonna. This is ultra fine, so this is really, really. This is making it beautiful. Look at that. Let's add a little bling into this. Look how gorgeous that looks. Wow. Okay. So I bring you in for a close-up now. That looks ultra beautiful. Look at that. Look how stunning that looks now. Oh yeah. That ultra fine glitter and that Flower Soft in there. Beautiful addition to this. This is only the small one. And you'll see the larger one that's going to come in a few days. I love the way this came out. Absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you think. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.